Today we're going to see how to create a form into Gutenberg, and let's start right away. Let's go on pages, all pages, and here I will create a new page called contact. Let me close this. So here I'm using Gutenberg, so contact, and just publish the page. Here I need to add a form, right? So the first thing I need to do is to actually download a plugin for the form system. Add a new plugin here, search, and I will go with Fluent form. There is many form out there like Contact Form 7, for example. I really like Fluent form because they have also Fluent SMTP, and it's really great. This is usually my stack here, these two plugins. So let's install the first one, that is the contact form, and then click on activate. Perfect. Now it's activated and I can actually create forms. Getting here on the tab, I have forms, and as you can see, there is a contact form demo and subscription form. Let's see how it looks. Click on the edit, and here this is the contact form demo, and as you can see, the UI of Fluent form is really amazing. I really like it. It's so clean, it's so modern, and here you can also preview the design. Okay, so you can see, you can click on it, you can submit the form, you can do many things. So let's close these, and now let's save this as what it is. Actually, if you want to change the setting and integration, you can get here. You have the confirmation settings. This is the message that shows when it's confirmed, like the message went through. You can say same page to a page or redirect to a custom URL, so a new page that you built. Very nice. After submission, you can hide the form, you can reset the form. There is a ton of option. Let's see, where is the setting? Email notification. So email notification is basically you need to choose an email where you want to receive all the form submissions, okay? And here you can click on add notification, and you can name the notification. In this example, we can say like submission from contact form of the website, very simple. You can enter your email, so info at for example, and then the subject you can add the subject of the mail could be like new contact from the website, and if you have multiple websites, I should just to add the name of the website, like VP Espresso, for example. Email of the body, and here basically you can add the shortcodes like the name of the user, okay, like this. Then you can add like the first name, last name, and you can also put them on different rows if you prefer. The email, very important, the subject, of course, and the message, okay? You can add all of them if you want to keep those in your notification, and it's very nice. Label option, okay, yeah, you can dig in and check all the options that this is offering. So here, if you want to send email in raw HTML format, conditional logic, okay, those is very cool. You have to get the pro version, but most of you probably don't even need that options. If you want a simple form, this is great. And media file, it's also a pro thing, so I will leave it like that. Okay, you need to save the notification, and then you get your notification. You can enable, disable, you can create new notification, to make different notification from different forms or whatever. Okay, great. So once you set it up, the form, let's check what they have also, like integration with Stripe, PayPal. If you need to make payment forms, that's really great. Here back in the editor, again, here in the editor you can choose your fields, and basically this works with the drag and drop system. Like let's say you want to add a drop down and say you click on the drop down and you can start adding the option here on the right. Very, very clever, very nice. You can, you know, put the drop down name, admin field label. You can leave it like that, it's not a problem. Placeholder, this is cool. You can also add your placeholder options like administration. Oops, I don't know how I written that. So, you know, you can add other options like sales and whatever, and you can tick if it's required or not, and you can save the form. So now you have your drop down. You need to preview this, and you have your drop down with administration and sales. So yeah, you get quite a bit of option for free, and the visual are great. Like it's super easy to use. Okay, so let me see what we have here. Setting and integration again. Okay, I think we got everything here. Great. Another very, very important thing is when you get on email notification, for example, that they are suggesting you to set up an SMTP. An SMTP allows you to make sure that mails are getting to the client and not in spam. I will probably make another video for this, but it's very easy. Basically, you can install a plugin by clicking on here, and it allows you to install this plugin here that I use not only for Fluent form, I use it for other forms too, and you can click on install and activate. I will show you right away how it works so that you have the full thing. So other SMTP, for example, you click here and you can choose from email, from name, SMTP host, and SMTP port. So it's very easy to search those data. If you have a hosting like SiteGround, Hostinger, whatever, you have all those information there, because depends on what kind of email you're using. If you're using a hosting email, like that again comes from SiteGround or Hostinger, you can basically get the data from your panel, okay? If you're using, I don't know, any other hosting, you can usually ask them and they will give you the SMTP host and port. And if you have a certificate, it's SSL with 465, but everything it's shown here. I will try to make a very quick tutorial next time. And also, if you don't really have an SMTP, you can use SendGrid. It's a free SMTP that you can use for your website. But again, I will make a tutorial on that. Check the channel, for new videos. You will probably find it there in a few days. So the thing is that okay, so this is the SMTP, right? If you go on your plugin, now you have the SMTP here, and you have your Fluent Form plugin here. If I get now on all pages, and I go on contact, here I can basically select this one, and oh yeah, wait, we need to get back. We forgot to get the, oh my god, I forgot to get the short code here. Here we go. So, oh no, not this one. It's the contact form demo. You just need to click here, and as you can see, you copied. Then you go on pages, and then you go on, where is it? Contact. And you can type in shortcode. And you can paste the shortcode here, and you get update, and you go and check the website, and voila, here you go. You have your clean, modern form that you can use here into the form, right? Very, very nice. The drop down, everything is working, your message, etc., etc. So here is how it works. You can then submit the form. Again, you need to set up SMTP data to make sure the email is sent correctly. And yeah, that's all. I wanted also to try, as we are here in this video, to try to use the Gutenberg. I just found something very interesting. Like if you click on add block, not here, but maybe here, I was searching for form, and what came out, it's Fluent form here. So if I click here, okay, it's basically instead of using the shortcode, you can also add a Gutenberg block and say, okay, which form you want, contact form demo. And as you can see, it's showing you the contact form in the backend. And this is super clever because I can see it right away. So what other option is offering me? The file size, inherit the theme style. Okay, I can get the theme style if I want. As you can see, all the text changed, the styling changed. It's not really nice as I am in the default one. But if you keep it default, okay, you get the clean version of, Fluent form. That's pretty interesting. Okay, great. I think that for this tutorial, that's all. I highly suggest you to check out this plugin. It's free, and there is a ton of free options on this plugin. So I hope the tutorial was useful, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Remember to subscribe and like the video if it was useful. Thank you.